This video shows how to clean the interior and exterior parts for the Xerox C325 Color Multifunction Printer. To avoid activating buttons and menus when cleaning the printer, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off the printer. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Slightly dampen a soft, lint-free cloth with water or glass cleaner. To remove fingerprints and smudges, clean the touchscreen and control panel with a soft, lint-free cloth. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the outside of the output tray, paper trays, and other exterior areas of your printer. Open the document cover and wipe the entire area of ADF glass, ADF glass pad, scanner glass, and scanner glass pad. Open the document feeder top cover and clean the feed rollers. Clean the second side DADF glass. Remove the tray and wipe the feed rolls and tray with clean, lint-free cloth moistened with water. Insert the tray back into the printer. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.